حدثنا أبو اليمان قال أخبرنا شعيب عن الزهري قال أخبرني أبو إدريس عائذ الله بن عبد الله أن عبادة بن الصامت رضي الله عنه وكان شهد بدرا وهو أحد النقباء ليلة العقبة أن رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم قال وحوله عصابة من أصحابه بايعوني على أن لا تشركوا بالله شيئا ولا تسرقوا ولا تزنوا ولا تقتلوا أولادكم ولا تأتوا ببهتان تفترونه بين أيديكم وأرجلكم ولا تعصوا في معروف فمن وفى منكم فأجره على الله ومن أصاب من ذلك شيئا فعوقب في الدنيا فهو كفارة له ومن أصاب من ذلك شيئا ثم ستره الله فهو إلى الله إن شاء عفا عنه وإن شاء عاقبه فبايعناه على ذلك. Narrated Ubadah ibn as-Samit, who took part in the battle of Badr and was a naqib, a person heading a group of 6 persons, on the night of Al-Aqaba pledge. Allah's apostle said, while a group of his companions were around him, "Swear allegiance to me for..." The Prophet, peace be upon him, added, "Whoever among you fulfills his pledge will be rewarded by Allah, and whoever indulges in any one of them, except the ascription of partners to Allah, and gets the punishment in this world, that punishment will be an expiation for that sin. And if one indulges in any of them, and Allah conceals his sin, it is up to him to forgive or punish him in the hereafter." Ubadah ibn as-Samiti added, "So we swore allegiance for these," points to Allah's apostle. 1. Not to join anything in worship along with Allah. 2. Not to steal. 3. Not to commit illegal sexual intercourse. 4. Not to kill your children. 5. Not to accuse an innocent person, to spread such an accusation among people. 6. Not to be disobedient when ordered to do good deed. Al-Shaykh Hafiz Muhammad Iqbal, may Allah protect him, has compiled the verification of this hadith. In various books on this subject, he found a total of 63 narrations from Ubadah ibn as-Samit radiyallahu anhu. The references for these hadiths are being documented in detail.
Thank you for visiting our YouTube page. To listen to the English translations of hadiths from Sahih Bukhari, where the sayings of all the narrators have been compiled along with their references, kindly subscribe to our channel.